Today, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my Pixel 6a. Stick around. Just the other day, I ordered the Pixel 6a, the Palm Buds A series, which came free with my order, a Casemate Ultra Clear case, and a Zag InvisiShield, because unlike some of you guys out there, I cannot and will not carry around a naked phone. Now, for the past couple weeks, I've been carrying around this Pixel 2. And believe it or not, I've actually been able to get it to work and work just fine for my use case. But enough about that for right now. Let's get into the unboxing of the Pixel 6a. We've got our handy dandy jerry-rig everything custom knife, which, if you've been following me on Twitter, you know is a little on the dull side right now. We are 10 boxes of 46 in on flooring the entire house. So we've got the box here, Pixel 6a. It's actually really, really small. Like, if you look at the box itself is not much bigger than the Pixel 2 with a case on it, which I find amazing. So we have the option to peel these little stickers here, but why do that when you can safely cut away from you? And there we go. Look at that. So in the box, we've got the Pixel, a charging cable, and this sync adapter to go from your old phone to your new phone. So the Pixel 6a is using Google's new Tensor chip, which will be exciting because I have been running the Pixel 2, like I said, for the past couple weeks. And other than, you know, some little bog downs and some network connection issues in a very rural part of the area, I haven't had much of an issue. That's the magical unboxing of that. We're gonna slowly take the cover off here. You see, you got your label with your power, your volume up, volume down, fingerprint sensor, and your SIM card tray. This does feel very premium. It doesn't actually feel like plastic on the back. And I chose to get the, I don't know, whatever the green color is called. Yeah, I don't know. I picked out the green color and the 128 gig because I actually don't need a lot of storage on my device. And there you have it. Now, I don't carry around naked devices, so we are going to unceremoniously rip apart this Zag box here. And Zag includes a little cover, some instructions, which we won't be using, and a screen protector, which we will be using. Now, I purchased all this at the same time that I purchased the Pixel 6a, and I got them from Google. Just wipe the screen off here. And you're supposed to use alcohol wipes, but I literally have never touched the screen, so this bad boy just kind of slots down like that. Oh, I got that wrong. I guess it's always a good idea to read the instructions, folks. So you'll see two little handy dandy holes there, two little handy dandy holes there. Phone goes in that way. There you go. And there we go. Screen protector is on. Now let's power this bad boy up. Let's hold out here for just a little bit while I charge this completely dead device. And there we go. Should be good to unplug that now. So first impressions out of the box. The device is just a little bit bigger than the Pixel 2. Take the case off of the Pixel 2, you'll see the size difference there. The big difference is there's not really any bezels on this Pixel6a. Get started. I'm gonna skip this. Now I've already heard that there's been some substantial updates to the Pixel already, which bring it up to, I think, about the June security update. So we'll see before we get rolling. I typically like to skip all the setup, get into the device, and then do all the updates, and then reset the phone and install my stuff then. I'm not going to do that for now. This will be my daily driver. I did pay for this device. I've been trying to become part of Team Pixel. So anybody who works for Google, if you're listening, I have 10 years experience in retail phone sales and know a thing or two about devices. So if you are looking for someone to help promote your device, I'm your guy. So we're going to skip all this. Yeah, we don't do that. We don't do that. I've also heard some reports out there that the Tensor chip gets a little warm. And it's already kind of getting a little warm in my hand, but nothing crazy. Can't wait to get out and take some pictures with this thing. So the case I got was the Tough Clear Casemate case, which doesn't involve any ripping or tearing of anything out. Very simple. I like nice, crisp and clear. Learn gestures. We know gestures. Swipe up to go home. There we are, right in our home screen, just like that. This phone has a 60 hertz refresh rate, which, of course, me coming from the Pixel 2, and even most of the other phones that I carry, I don't care about refresh rate. I just care about the phone working. So we're going to go in here and check for updates. Oh, wow. Okay. Apparently my phone is completely up to date. So here we can see a photo of my keyboard. That's pretty cool. So far it seems like it's okay. Another thing I've heard is the fingerprints can be a little wonky, so let's play with that. We'll just make a pattern here. Doesn't really matter. Like I said, I'm going to wipe this thing out anyway. I've actually been using a OnePlus 9 Pro. And the fingerprint sensor on that was a little tough to use after putting a screen protector on anyway. Cool. Let's try that again. Use my left thumb this time. Fingerprints added. So as you see, I did my left thumb and not my right thumb. Now we're going to see what happens if I use my right thumb to try to unlock the device. Left thumb works, right thumb doesn't. Good. So, the reported issues that I've seen with the fingerprint sensor don't seem to be affecting my device, so that's a good thing. All right, well, that's about all I have for the phone because I haven't set it up or played with it. I will have a deeper dive into this device once I get it set up and functioning under my account. The next thing that I bought was the Pixel Buds Series A. Got no fancy tabs on that to pull, so we're just gonna cut into every ridge that I can find. Now, I actually still have the Pixel Buds, the original Pixel Buds, back at work, and I use those for walking around the office to ignore people. Here, we have the Buds package with their little plastic cover so they don't get scratched up. That's really cute. And we have a charging cable and some little rubber ear stoppers. I'm also not typically a fan of earbuds because they tend to fall out of my ears. So we'll see. These have little rubber hooks on them. Oh, I bet these will be nice. Can't wait to get into these. Charge indicator there. So if you plug it up, it should start flashing. Or no, I guess maybe a solid charge on this one. My previous versions had a flash on them. And then just to test it out, if we were to come in here, just open these up. Pixel Bud A series, there we go. Download an app. Okay, well, we'll do that later. But from what I understand, there's like a seamless transition on these to go from Android device to Android device, so can't wait to try that out. But that is just my really quick unboxing of the Pixel6a and the Pixel Buds A series. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed making it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. You can also reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram. I thank you for watching. Have a great day.